Welcome back. We have a breaking update coming in of a gunman who opened fire outside a Target store in Austin, Texas, killed at least 3 people, and the suspect, we are told, have been arrested. According to reports coming in from the Austin police, the suspect stole a car after the attack and tried to flee from the scene. But then he wrecked the car and stole another before being captured in South Austin, where he was taken into custody. As far as this news briefing is concerned, unfortunately, 3 people had been fatally shot in the Target parking lot. And as far as the Austin police has been saying, extending their condolences, saying that not much information about the suspect, however, has now been released. But however, what is being said that the suspect appeared to have a mental health history. This development is now coming at a time of yet another shooting incident being reported in the United States of America, in Texas, in Austin. A gunman opened fire outside a Target store parking, killing at least 3 people. Let's get in a word from Rishabh now. Rishabh, another incident of shooting being reported from the U.S.
Well, definitely. This time around, what we're given to understand that, mentally ill gunman has opened shots and have killed 3, and he was also captured after his car, crashed while fleeing. So this showcases that how easy it is in United States to purchase a gun, own a gun, and even open shooting. And this is this is at least the 4th in last 5 days that we have reporting shooting in various parts of the United States. While Donald Trump has been talking about how he wants to secure the country and how only yesterday he decided to have the federal guards deployed in Washington, putting it forward that Washington is not safe. It's not only Washington. Nowhere in the United States right now is safe. We have seen shootings in LA. We have seen shootings in Alaska. In Atlanta, we have seen shooting in Texas, we have seen shooting in Montana, and many other states, Florida as well. And the way these shootings have been reported, it showcases that how loose the gun laws in the United States is, and how the weapon lobby has constrained the consecutive governments to take stricter actions. Yes, Joe Biden once talked about how they want stricter gun laws in the country, but that never saw the light of the day.
Yeah, so the gun menace continues, this time being reported in Texas, the shooting incident where the suspect, who has now been taken into custody after killing 3 in Target store parking. As far as the people there have also been raising a concern as to how can this keep happening, as far as multiple incidents of shooting that has been reported from the United States alone. Rishabh, continue to be with us. We have